When your car accident case goes to court, it's a pivotal moment in your pursuit of compensation. The first step is seeking legal representation. Seeking legal representation allows you to have a knowledgeable attorney on your side who can explain your rights in detail. They can help you understand what compensation you may be eligible for based on the specific circumstances of your case. We assess the details of our client's case, gathered evidence, and consulted with experts to build a strong case. We're here to guide you through this annoying and complex process. Reach out to us now and learn how going to court can impact your settlements. But if negotiations fail, the case proceeds to court. We filed a lawsuit on behalf of our client, initiating a legal battle. The initiation of a lawsuit triggers a legal battle that involves various legal procedures and steps. It includes preparing legal documents, such as a complaint, which outlines our client's claims and the basis for their case. Study how the decision to go to court can affect the overall settlements in your case. The decision to go to court is a significant step, and it shows our commitment to securing the compensation they deserve. Contact us now and find out how the court's decisions can directly impact your final settlements. During the trial, both sides present their arguments and evidence. Our goal is to prove your case and demonstrate the extent of your injuries and suffering. Reach out to us now and explore how the evidence presented in court can influence the size of your settlements. In our case study, the court awarded our client $300,000 in compensation. This outcome signifies a significant victory. Don't be scared to reach out to us to discover how the court's decisions can directly affect the monetary settlements in your case. Our dedication to securing fair settlements and compensation remains unshakable. We know you need your settlement check now. Reach out to us and learn how our commitment to your case can lead to you receiving your check.